In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a legend to graph in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and find the graph you want to edit. The first thing you need to do is click directly on the graph to select it. This is important because Excel only shows chart editing options when the chart is active. Once the graph is selected, you should see a few extra controls appear around it. Next, look toward the top right corner of the chart area. You will see a green plus icon. This icon opens the Chart Elements menu, which is where you can quickly add or remove items from your graph, including the legend. Go ahead and click that plus icon. After the menu opens, move your mouse over the word Legend in the list. Hovering over it helps you identify the option clearly before making any changes. When you are ready, click the checkbox next to Legend. As soon as you do this, Excel will add a legend to your graph. The legend helps label the data series in the chart, which makes the graph easier to read and understand, especially when you are working with more than one set of data. If you want to adjust where the legend appears, stay in the same menu and look for the small black arrow to the right of the legend option. Click that arrow to open the placement choices. From there, select top or bottom, depending on where you want the legend to sit on the chart. Choosing the best position can make your graph look cleaner and can improve readability, especially if the chart already contains titles, labels, or other elements. Once you have selected the legend position you prefer, click anywhere on the spreadsheet background outside the chart. This finishes the process and lets you return to your worksheet. Your graph will now display the legend in the location you chose. That is all there is to it. You have now added a legend to a graph in Microsoft Excel and adjusted its position for a cleaner, more informative chart.